everyone, a very good evening to all of you and welcome to ACE Online. So I request all of you to join the live session and share the link of the session in your respective groups to your friends, to your family members who are preparing for SSC CGL, CHSL or maybe some other competitive exams like CAT, MAT, ZAT or maybe some banking exam or maybe some technical based exams like GATE or ESE. So don't forget to share the link of the session in your groups so that more students can join this particular video. So now the question arises, what we are going to do in this particular session. So basically we are going to practice a lot for the reasoning section, or we can say the reasoning practice session. So I'm just waiting for all of you to let me know once in the comment section whether I am properly audible or not. So please let me know this one in the comment section that my voice is clear and I am clearly visible. A very good evening, Ramakrishna. Okay, so let's start today's session, and here we are having a very first question. So this question is from the concept of symbols and notations. So the question is saying that if this symbol means, or we can say this symbol means this one, this means this one, this means this one, and this means that one, what will be the value of the following expression? Here we are having expression, and what we need to do, we need to determine the correct answer. Thank you so much for the confirmation, Ramakrishna. Everyone in the comment section, what is the correct answer? All you need to do is you need to take care of the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You need to take care of this particular thing. What is the correct answer? Okay, let's start solving it. Here we are having 38, right? I know that brackets solve first, so I am going to solve this particular bracket first, right? This multiplication symbol means subtraction. 38 minus 23. I need to solve this thing first, and after that what I am having subtraction. Subtraction means addition. And here I am having one more bracket, and this bracket says that 4 divided. Divide symbol means multiplication. Multiplied by 3. Bracket closed. Now these two brackets lies in a single curly bracket, right? This lies in a single curly bracket. What I am getting over here, I am getting 15 plus here what I am getting 12. Right, and curly brackets. Now 12 plus 15, what I am getting? I am getting 27. I am having 27 in the curly brackets. Now if I start talking about out of the curly brackets, here we are having one more bracket with a symbol of addition with this curly bracket. So curly bracket, addition means dividation, and there's one more bracket. 6. Now minus means where we are having this one, plus 3. If I solve this particular thing, what I'll get 27 divided by 9. And when I solve this square bracket, I am getting 3 as my answer. Do we have this in our options? Yes. So the option number B is the correct one. 3 is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct one. All we need to do is we need to change our mathematical signs as per the given codes or as per the given instruction, and meanwhile we need to take care of this particular rule of BODMAS. Is it clear to everyone? A very good evening, Ritika. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, now let's move towards the next question and let's see what is the next question. So here we are having our next question from the concept of dice, and we know that how to solve the questions from this particular concept, right? Now what we have to determine? We have to determine the number on the face opposite to the face showing 2. What we need to do? We need to find out the opposite pair of 2. For this one you are having these 3 figures. So just let me know the correct answer in your comment section. Ramakrishna, option number B. Let's see. Sorry. Answer will be 6. Please check. Bliss, we will do that. Here what we are having 23, 27 and 9. Where we made a mistake? Okay, there's a multiplication 2 as well. Okay, we just skipped that, na? We just skipped this part. Okay, so now it is multiplied by 2. After square brackets, we need to multiply it by 2, and when we multiply it by 2, we are getting 6. Option number A is the correct one. Very good, Bliss. We just skipped this particular part. So the correct answer over here is your option number A, not option number B, right? If we are not going to do that, if the question is still this square bracket only, then the correct answer is 3. But here there's one more thing, divided by 2 is also given over here. Is it clear? Okay, next one. So what is the correct answer of this particular question? What is the correct answer of this particular question? A very good evening, nature lover. A very good evening, Rahul. Okay, so we know that opposite pair can never be adjacent to each other. And what we need to do? We need to find out the opposite pair of 2. So we can say that if we want to find out the opposite pair of 2, 1 and 5 can never be opposite to 2. So just simply eliminate these 2 options. Simply eliminate these 2 options. Do we have 2 in any other figure? No. So now what we have to do now? We have to find out one common pair in any of the 2 figures. So here we can say that this 4 and this 4 is common, right? Just simply write down 4. Now you can move in either of the direction, maybe the clockwise or maybe anti-clockwise. We are moving in the clockwise direction. After 4 I am getting 3, after 3 I am getting 6. After 4 I am getting 3, after 3 I am getting 6. Next. After 4 I am getting 1, after 1 I am getting 5. After 4 I am getting 1, after 1 I am getting 5. And we will replace 1 by 2, and here we are getting our opposite pairs. These are what? These are my opposite pairs. And what I have to find out? I have to find out the opposite pair of 2, and that is nothing but 4. Option number A is the correct one. Option number A is the correct one. Thank you so much, Arvind. Very good evening, Shrisha. Very good evening, SK. Thank you so much, Rahul. Okay, so the correct answer over here is option number A. Clear? Next one. Okay, so this is a very simple question. All you need to do is you just need to analyze this particular figures, and you have to select this missing figure. And for this one you are having your 4 options. Just select one and let me know your answer in the comment section. Everyone, a very good evening, Naresh. This is a very simple type of question. Just simply analyze all the figures carefully. You need to understand the pattern, and you need to apply the same pattern with this missing figure. What is the correct answer we are getting? I am waiting for your answers. Anyone in the comment section? This is a very easy question. How we are going to deal with this one? A very good evening, Dinesh. Okay, Shashidhar, in the last question we can directly say by using 2 common, third is opposite. Yes, we can do that. Okay, very good Dinesh, very good Ritik, very good Naresh. Let's see whether you are getting your answer correct or not. Okay, let's focus on this arrow first, right? What I'm going to do, I'm just going to focus on the arrow first. Here, right now it is in north direction, or we can say in the upwards direction. It moves 90-degree clockwise. Now it's facing in the east direction. South, west. Now again it moves 90-degree clockwise. So we need our arrow facing towards north direction or towards the upwards. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? No. So just simply eliminate this option. Now just simply check the position of the arrow. This remains same. So we can eliminate this option as well. So out of 4 options, 2 options are already eliminated. Now we are left with just 2 options. Okay. Now focus on the rest figures. Here I am having one single vertical line. It changed into 2. That means the number of lines are increasing. Here we are having 2 horizontal lines. Now again the line is increased and it becomes a triangle. 1, 2, 3. One more line is increased and it changed into square. That means whatever figure we are having over here has having 5 lines. Do we have that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Do we have that? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Next one. Here we are having 1 dot, 3 dot, 5 dots. That means there is a gap of plus 2. There is a gap of plus 2. Here how many dots we are having? 7 plus 2. So the next one is 7 plus 2. That means we need 9 dots over here. We need 9 dots over here. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? Yes, but the side is changed. So we just simply eliminate this particular option and the correct answer over here is option number A. The correct answer over here is your option number A. Very good Ramakrishna, very good Ritika, very good SK, very good Shashidhar, very good Muhammad Sahib, very good. But the correct answer over here is your option number A. Whenever you are having any type of question from your non-verbal reasoning, just focus on the given data or the given picture. You can easily determine the correct answer within 5 or 7 seconds, right? Next one. Okay, so here we are having questions from the concept of syllogisms. You are having your statements, you are having your conclusions. You know what you have to do in this one. So just tell me the correct answer in the comment section. Very good, Deepthi. What is the correct answer you are getting for this particular question? Just simply draw your basic diagram and as per that basic diagram, just simply check the conclusions. All K are H, no S is K. Very good, Shrisha. Let's see. Anyone else in the comment section? What is the correct answer? A very good evening, Naresh. Very good, Shashidhar. Anyone else apart from Shrisha and Shashidhar? What is the correct answer you are getting? Okay, let's start drawing the basic diagram. So my statement is saying that all K belongs to H, right? Now the next statement is saying that No S is K. Okay, so there's no relation in between S and K. Right, this is my basic diagram. Now, what I have to do, I have to check my conclusion. No K is S. If S doesn't belong to K, so we can say that no K belongs to S. Okay, that means this conclusion is true. Next one, all H are K. Okay, right now we can only say about this part of H. We can consider this part of H as some part of H. Some H. But can we say fixed thing regarding the remaining part of H? Can we say that? Or can we say anything whether it belongs to K or not? No, we can't say anything. So for this one, we just simply consider it in can't say condition. So what is the correct answer we are getting? We are getting as our correct answer is option number B. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 1 follows. Very good Ramakrishna, very good Durga. The correct answer over here is option number B, not option number A. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's move towards the next question, and next question is from the concept of syllogisms. Basically, there's a fixed pattern given in these two sets. This is your set number 1 and this is your set number 2. You have to determine the pattern and you need to check in which option we are getting the same pattern. So here we are having numbers, so start playing with the numbers. A very good evening, Harshita. What is the correct answer we are getting? First, you need to work with these sets, set number 1 and set number 2, and accordingly check the same pattern with the given options. A very good evening, Sheetal. This is a very easy pattern. Just focus on the numbers and you can easily determine the given pattern. Four 240, 55, 65. Second one is 320, 85, 75. Okay, very good, Bliss. Let's see. Anyone else? Very good, Durgam. Very good, Ritika. Okay, what is the pattern over here? What is the pattern over here? Okay, if I talk about set number 1, that is 240, 55 and 65. I have to analyze something with these numbers. This number is quite bigger than these two numbers, right? Okay. If I add my second number and third number, what I am getting? Just check this one. If I add my second number and third number together, 55 plus 65, we are getting 120, right? If I multiply this thing by 2, we are getting our first number. We are getting our first number. When I multiply my 120 by 2, we are getting 420, which is given as our first number. But I need to check that this pattern is followed in this set or not. So just simply check this one. So here we are having 320, 85 and 75, right? Simply add 85 and 75. We are getting 160, and when we multiply 160 by 2, we are getting 320. Applicable? Yes. Now we need to check the same pattern. We need to check the same pattern with our given options. So first we will check with our option number A. Option A. 35 and 25. 60. And when we multiply it by 2, we are getting 120, not 140. Eliminate. Next one, option number B. We'll check option B over here. Option B. We are having 90 and 15. 90 and 15. 105. When I multiply this thing by 2, here I am getting 210, not 220. Option number B is also eliminated. Check option number C. 35 and 45. 80. When I multiply this by 2, I am getting 160. Follow? Yes. So the correct answer over here is your option number C. The correct answer over here is your option number C. Thank you so much, Umema. Harika, then do more and more practice with us. Very good, Shrisha. Very good, Ramakrishna. The correct answer over here is your option number C. Let's move towards the next question. So here we are having a question from the concept of blood relations. You are having your options. You have to determine which expression is showing that Q is the son of P. What you have to do, you have to determine the expression in which you are getting a relation as Q is a son of P. Very good, Gaurav. Let's see. Whenever we are having such type of question, I have already told you, you need to follow the 2 steps. First, check gender. Second, check generation gap. By checking these 2 steps, you can easily determine the correct answer. Thank you so much, Ritika. Very good, Natika. Let's see. Very good, Bless. Let's see. Okay. So here we know that if Q is a son, that means Q should be male. Right? So first we are going to check the gender. Q plus P, where we are having plus here. That shows that A is a mother. Eliminate. We need Q as a male, not female. Next one. Q into R. Where do we have into or the multiplication symbol? A is a father. That means male. Next one. Q plus P. Where do we have plus? Plus shows the mother relation. Eliminate. Next. Plus. Eliminate. So the correct answer over here is your option number B. The correct answer over here is your option number B. This is very easy. With the help of step 1 only, we just determined our answer as our option number B. There is no need in this particular question to go with our step number 2 or just to check the generation gap. Because in the rest options, we are getting a Q as female. But here we want Q as our male candidate, not the female candidate. So the correct answer over here is your option number B. Is it clear? Very good, Ramakrishna. Clear to everyone? Okay. Let's move towards the next question and let's see what is the next question. So next question is from the concept of number series, and this one is a very easy number series. All you need to do is just simply analyze the gradual increase in this series and determine the value of this particular question mark. Very good, Durgam. Very good, Bliss. What is the correct answer in this particular question, or what is the value you are getting in the place of this question mark? 4 is changed into 6, 6 changed to 12, 12 changed to 14, 14 changed to 28, 28 changed to 30. Now this 30 changed into Harika, just start practicing with us. That's it. Try to attend class on the daily basis. Very good, Ramakrishna. Let's see. There is a suggestion, if you are having any problems with the numbers, then please learn squares till 25 and cubes till 15. At least it helps you a lot. And you should learn tables till 25. If you know all these things, you can easily able to determine the patterns, or you can easily catch the pattern. Very good, SK. Very good, Ramakrishna. Let's see. Okay. Now, I know that this 4 changed into 6. In how many ways I can do this? I know that the increase in this series is a gradual increase. So I am not going to apply any multiplication pattern over here, because I know that here there is a difference of 2, 6, again 2, then again the difference is increased, again 2. So I am not going to apply the pattern of multiplication, because I can easily sense the pattern. So if I need to convert my 4 into 6, I need to add plus 2 in this one. Right? Okay. Now I'm just converting my 6 into 12. What I need to do? I need to add 6 in this one. Right? Now again I'm changing my 12 to 14. What I need to do? I need to add 2 in this one. Just start observing the pattern. Now what I need to do? I need to convert my 14 into 28. What I need to do this time? What I need to do this time? If you observe this thing, here we are getting a difference of plus 14. This is a unusual difference, right? Here we are getting 6 and now we are getting 24. Okay. So if you observe first thing over here, we are getting a difference of plus 2, then a difference of the number which will we get after addition of plus 2. Again plus 2. Again the number that we are getting. Again there is a difference of plus 2, that is 30. Now again the number that we are getting. And what number we are getting? 30. So we need plus 30 in this one, and the answer that we are getting over here is option number B, that is 60. Option number B, that is 60. Very good, Naresh. Very good, Durga. Is it clear? This is an easy pattern. But what we need to do? We need to analyze it. Is it clear? Okay. Now, let's move towards the next question. Again, numbers. This question is from the concept of analogy. Here, some pattern is given. Here too, some pattern is given. You need to analyze the same pattern in these two relations, and you need to apply the same pattern with this term, right? And with the help of that pattern, you have to determine the value of this particular question mark. Thank you so much, Kishore. Okay, bless. Very good, Ritika. You need to determine how this 35 is related or connected to 21, and in the similar manner how this 40 is connected to 24. You need to determine something common in between these two given relations and apply the same thing with this one. Anyone else? What is the correct answer of this particular question? Option number A, B, C, D. This is a very easy question, trust me. All you need to do is you just need to focus on the numbers, how these numbers are related to each other. And with the help of that, trust me, you can easily determine the value of this question mark. Okay, let's start solving this. 35, 21. If I talk about the difference is 14, right? Here 40 and 24. If I talk about the difference is not equals to 14. That means I need to think alternatively. Okay. This 35 and 21. I know that both are the present on the multiple of 7. I can break this as 7 multiplied by 5. Right? I can break 21 as 7 multiplied by 3. Clear? Okay. If I talk about this particular pair, I can break this as 8 into 5 and I can break this as 8 into 3. Pattern is revealed. Basically, these numbers are present on the common multiple of 5 and 3, right? So I have to check on which multiple or on which number or on which multiple this 36 is there. So when I multiply 12 by 3, I am getting 36. So what I need to do, I just simply need to multiply my 12 by 5 and I am getting my answer as option number C, 60. Told you, this is a very easy pattern. All we need to do is, we need to analyze them carefully. Is it clear? The correct answer over here is your option number C, that is 60. Clear? Okay. Next one. Again, we are having question from the concept of blood relation. Now just read the question carefully and determine the correct answer. Very good, SK. Just read the question carefully and determine the correct answer. You need to solve this given coded relation, and according to that your family chart or family tree, you need to check these options. Sorry. D. Okay. Very good, Bliss. Let's see. Anyone else? All you need to do is you just need to draw the family tree or the family chart or the generation chart over here, and with the help of that you need to check few options. Okay, let's start drawing it. Now this time I am just going to draw the family tree over here, right? Okay. A plus G. Whenever we are having these type of questions, just simply pick two entities at a time, just two entities. A plus G. Where we are having this plus symbol over here, it means that A is a father of B. That means A is a father of G, right? This vertical line shows the generation gap, right? This square symbol denotes male, right? Circle or oval shapes denotes female. This two lines shows spouse, right? One single horizontal line shows same generation and single vertical line shows generation gap. Right? Okay. Now the next one. Till this point we are not able to determine the gender of G. If it is not given in the question, then just let it be. Next one. G and I. Where do we have and here? A is a brother of B. That means G is a brother of I. Right? Next. I plus R. Where do we have R plus? That means I is a father of R. I is a father of R. Try to maintain the generation levels, right? Very good, Vara. Very good, Durgam. Let's see. Next one. R at the rate S. Where do we have at the rate? That means A is a sister of B. That means R is a sister of S. Right? Next. S at the rate T. So we are not having space over here. So I am just writing T to this side. Right? Okay. Next. Next one. T hash U. Where do we have hash? Here. A is a wife of B. That means T is a wife of U. T is a wife. That means we are having such type of relation. If T is a wife, then we can say that U is a male. We can easily say that. Next one. U and V. And. U and V. Okay, we need some more space. Because we need to draw V. U is a brother of V. Okay. So basically this is our family tree. This one is our family tree, complete family tree. Right? This is our complete family tree. Now on the basis of this, we need to check few options. And what we have to determine? We have to determine which of the following statement is not correct. Right? Okay. First one. I is father-in-law of you. I is father-in-law. Yes, basically this person is married to I's daughter. I is father-in-law. This statement is correct. Next. A is the maternal grandfather of T. A is maternal grandfather. No, basically A is paternal grandfather, not maternal grandfather. This maternal word shows the mother's side or the mother's extended family, not father's extended family. So this statement is not correct. If we are having word like just grandfather, then we know that we have to follow the by default case of our father side family, right? Next one. G is a brother of I. G is a brother. Yes, basically they are brothers. So this statement is true. R is the paternal granddaughter. Yes, paternal granddaughter. So basically this statement is also true. So the correct answer over here is your option number B. Thank you so much, Unique. The correct answer over here is your option number B. Is it clear? So if you are having options like this, at that time I'll suggest to draw the family tree or the generation tree. It helps you a lot to determine the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Next one. Odd one out, or we can say the classification. We know that whenever we are having such type of question, first thing that we need to do is we need to make a group of similar options which follows a similar property. So just simply go through these options and let me know the correct answer in the comment section. This is a very easy one. Okay, very good, Bliss. Let's see. Anyone else? This is a very easy question. Sure, Ramakrishnan, we will try to make a separate Telegram group for that, and in that Telegram group we will share all the PDFs of the respective sessions and you will get updates as well. Or till that point you can contact me on Telegram by just searching my name, and that is Aishwaria. If you will search this name on the Telegram, you will get my profile, and if you are having any query you can contact me at any time. Very good, Shrisha, very good, Vara. Okay. If we will see these particular options, we know that these options somehow present nearby to each other, right? 153, 151, 147, 171, 169, 167. These options are nearby to each other. Sure, Ritika, we are going to continue these type of classes on the regular basis. Okay, we will go with our option number A. Here we are having 153. 151 and 147. If I talk about the difference in between the numbers, here -2, right? Here -4. This is the difference that we are having. Next option, option number B. 171, 169, 167, right? Difference. -2, -2. Just by checking these two options, I can say that either A is the correct answer or either B is the correct answer. Now, we need to check our rest option just to confirm ourselves. Option number C. 183, 181, 179. -2, -2. Option number A is your odd one out, because here we are having the similar properties and this option number is not following these similar properties. Let's check the last option as well. 201 and 199, -2. Again -2. So we can say that these option number B, C, D will create a common group, and this option number A is not following the property of that particular group. So the odd one out over here is your option number A. The odd one out is your option number A. Thank you so much, Gaurav, Nikita and Rahul. Very good, Ramakrishna. Let's see. Right? Okay, so with this question, let's end this session over here only. But before that, if you want to learn such more tricks and tactics, you can join our SSC CGL Tier 1 course, in which you are getting 350 plus recorded hours by the experienced faculty, and along with that you are also getting free online test series in which you are getting total 18 tests. If you are having any doubt, there is one more feature, that is live doubt clearing session, and you are also getting one-to-one mentorship. For this one, you can just simply visit www.ace.online, and for this one you only have to follow 3 simple steps. First, go to that website. You are getting such type of portal, right? At this site, you need to find out the SSC CGL section. In this one, you will get the course with the availability, and you can choose the course as per your requirements, right? So let's meet tomorrow at the same time of 6 p.m. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, bye-bye, and thank you so much for watching this video.